11 Skin Benefits of Aloe Vera Gel. Nature's secret for healthy skin. Are you tired of searching for the perfect skincare solution? Look no further. Aloe Vera Gel, often referred to as the plant of immortality, is here to revolutionize your beauty routine. Beyond its well-known uses for treating burns and soothing sunburns, Aloe Vera Gel offers a multitude of benefits for your skin. From anti-aging effects to treating skin conditions, Aloe Vera Gel is a natural wonder. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 11 skin benefits of Aloe Vera Gel and show you how to seamlessly incorporate it into your daily routine. Aloe Vera Gel for anti-aging. Aloe Vera Gel contains humectants that bind moisture to the skin and stimulate collagen production. Collagen is a crucial protein that maintains skin elasticity. With increased collagen production, Aloe Vera Gel helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking youthful and radiant. For best results, apply a thin layer of pure Aloe Vera Gel to your face and neck before bedtime, gently massaging it in, and leave it on overnight, repeating 2 to 3 times a week. Aloe Vera Gel to soothe sunburn. One of the most well-known benefits of Aloe Vera Gel is its ability to soothe sunburned skin. The cooling and hydrating properties of Aloe Vera Gel provide relief from sunburn, alleviating burning and irritation. Applying Aloe Vera Gel after sun exposure can help your skin recover more quickly. Apply Aloe Vera Gel to the sunburned area, allowing it to absorb into the skin and reapplying as needed for relief until the sunburn subsides, using it as often as required. Aloe Vera Gel to help heal small abrasions or cuts. Aloe Vera's unique molecular structure promotes wound healing by stimulating collagen production and fighting bacteria. When applied to minor cuts or abrasions, Aloe Vera Gel accelerates the natural healing process, reducing scarring and discomfort. Cleanse the wound, then apply a thin layer of Aloe Vera Gel. Cover it with a sterile bandage and allow it to sit overnight, reapply daily until the wound is healed. Aloe Vera Gel to treat dryness. Aloe Vera Gel is a natural moisturizer that absorbs easily into the skin. It hydrates dry skin and helps lock in moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. Regular use can combat dryness and keep your skin well hydrated. After cleansing your face, apply Aloe Vera Gel as a moisturizer, allowing it to absorb before applying other products, and use it daily, preferably in the morning and evening. Aloe Vera Gel to relieve eczema. The moisturizing effects of aloe vera make it an excellent choice for those dealing with eczema. It can alleviate the dryness and itchiness associated with this skin condition, providing much-needed relief. Apply a modest quantity of the gel onto your face, allowing it to remain for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Subsequently, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water and gently blot it dry. Use daily or as needed to relieve dryness and itching. Aloe Vera Gel to reduce inflammatory acne. Aloe gel contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help treat inflammatory forms of acne, such as pustules and nodules. It calms irritated skin and reduces redness. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 2 to 3 drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply a small quantity of this blend onto your acne spots and scars once or twice daily. Aloe Vera Gel to lighten dark spots and acne scars. Aloe Vera Gel stimulates collagen production in the skin, which can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and acne scars. Over time, your skin becomes smoother and more even-toned. Apply Aloe Vera Gel directly to dark spots or acne scars, massage it in, and use once a day, preferably in the evening. Aloe Vera Gel to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Aloe Vera's anti-inflammatory properties work wonders for reducing puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. It helps decrease overall inflammation in the face and promotes the production of new skin cells, giving you a refreshed appearance. Gently pat a small amount of Aloe Vera Gel under your eyes using your ring finger. Repeat daily in the morning and evening. Aloe Vera Gel is a natural exfoliant. The salicylic acid found in aloe vera is a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and harmful bacteria from the face. Regular exfoliation with aloe vera can leave your skin looking rejuvenated and clear. Mix aloe vera gel with a natural exfoliant like sugar or oats to create a scrub. Gently massage it onto damp skin, and rinse off, using this mixture to exfoliate once or twice a week. Aloe vera gel for cold sores. Aloe vera, renowned for its natural healing properties, serves as a gentle and effective remedy for cold sores. Beyond merely soothing discomfort, it expedites recovery by stimulating the growth of new skin cells, thereby shortening the infection's duration. To use, apply a modest quantity of aloe vera gel directly onto the cold sore, allowing it to dry. Repeat this application 2 to 3 times daily until the cold sore fully heals. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties combine to offer relief and accelerate the healing process for this common affliction. Aloe vera gel for oral lichen planus. For those dealing with oral lichen planus, an inflammatory condition of the mouth, studies have suggested that applying aloe vera gel twice a day for 2 months may help alleviate symptoms. It can provide relief from discomfort and reduce inflammation in the affected area. Swish a diluted solution of aloe vera gel in your mouth for a minute or 2, then spit it out. Do this twice a day. Continue this routine for 2 months or as directed by a healthcare professional. How to extract aloe vera gel. Obtaining fresh aloe vera gel is a straightforward process, especially if you have an aloe vera plant in your garden. Here are the steps for extracting raw aloe gel. 1. Begin by using a sharp knife to carefully cut a leaf from the aloe vera plant, as close to the base as possible. Rinse the harvested leaf under running water and gently pat it dry. 2. Place the leaf with the cut side down in a bowl, allowing it to sit for approximately 15 minutes. This waiting period is essential to let the yellow latex, which can be mildly irritating, drain out of the leaf. 3. After allowing the leaf to rest, gently press on it to help soften it further. 4. With a spoon or knife blade, carefully scoop out the clear gel from inside the leaf. 5. Thoroughly wash the gel you've extracted to ensure it's free from any residual latex or impurities. 6. Store the obtained gel in an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness. 7. You can safely use the refrigerated gel for up to 2 weeks. If you opt to purchase aloe vera gel from a store, make sure to check the label for any added ingredients, such as alcohol or chemicals, which may have the potential to irritate the skin. If you are interested in purchasing pure aloe vera gel from Amazon, click the link in the description box. Choosing a pure and natural aloe vera gel will ensure you receive the full benefits for your skincare needs. Please note that the information provided is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making any dietary or health-related changes. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to share the knowledge and subscribe for more insightful content.